Welcome to a quick and intense EMOM interval training. We will have a total of 2 sets. The first set will have 4 exercises: cleans, squats, overhead press and snatch. They'll all be for 5 reps each. The second set will have just 2 exercises, and that will be mid pull and high pull. We will perform both these exercises for 10 reps each. The timer will be set to a 60 seconds or 1 minute interval for a total of 10 minutes. There will be no rest in between the 2 sets. The time you save within that 1 minute of interval after completing your reps is going to be your rest time. Don't worry, the exercises and the reps for each exercises will be shown on your screen. So if you're ready to sweat, let's get started.
Blonde hair, blue eyes, that'll make you faint on sight. But she looks like trouble. Her lips so kissable and poisonous. I know she won't be good for me. But I don't care, 'cause I know it's so rare for a guy like me to get a chance with a girl like her. And I won't waste that chance. 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 She got me like. Her looks, I assume they come with a price. She's smiling, but that may just be a disguise. I wanna say hi, but I'm scared she'll kill me. Could we? Will we? Would she? Probably not. But I don't care, 'cause I know it's so rare for a guy like me to get a chance with a girl like her. And I won't waste that chance. 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 She got me low.
If it's silent in dismay, it won't break this feeling down. If I conquer this my way, I'd devour, I'd surround. If it hurts you just a little, then it heals you when it's done. Disappointment is the anchor, resolution is the sun. it's silent in dismay, it won't break this feeling down. If I conquered this my way, I'd devour, I'd surround. If it hurts you just a little, then it heals you when it's done. Disappointment is the anchor, resolution is the sun. Stories that we say, someone's waiting to be told. The acting encompasses the play. We watch the scenes we live unfold. Stories that we say, like someone's waiting to be told. The act encompasses the play. We watch the scenes we live unfold.
Thank you for joining me today. Please like and subscribe if you liked this workout. Take care and I will see you soon.